and we hope that on the next date of hearing, which is going to be held on the 19th, the Supreme Court will recognize the grave procedural unfairness in A, ignoring 1991 Act, B, the Allahabad High Court stay of 1998, C, appointing of the Commissioner ex parte, D, ordering and sealing without hearing of the other party. So these are the four things which we hope that on the next date of hearing, the Supreme Court will take note of it. But as I have told you earlier, the order of the trial court is completely wrong, unfair, illegal, which we hope that Supreme Court on the next date of hearing will completely stay that order.
So today in Varanasi court also, sir, one of the surveyor trial court, Mishra, he was removed.
Ajay Mishra was removed now, and they have been given 2 days of time to submit the report to Varanasi court. How do you see this?
First of all, I am against that survey. Number one, I was against, when I am against the survey, I am also against the appointment of a commissioner. Because you go and ask for a survey and you give a name to the court, and the court accepts that name all out of the survey. The lower court has forgotten the 1998 stay. And the honorable judge of the lower court did not even allow the Muslim side to be heard. So that is procedurally completely unfair that you deny a party to even hear, and then secondly, the commissioner did not even give a report. It is the petitioner who goes to the court and says, "Oh, Baba mil gaye." और आप मुस्लिम साइड को सुनने भी नहीं देते, आप नोटिस भी नहीं देते, और आप ऑर्डर्स पास कर रहे थे, एक्स पार्टी ऑर्डर पास कर रहे थे आप।
लेकिन सर वीडियोस भी इमर्ज हुए हैं।
देखिए मैडम, सुनिए, नहीं सुनिए, वो आप ये बात आप कोर्ट में जाके बोलिए फिर आप। एक सुनिए, नहीं, कोर्ट में अगर आपका और मेरा झगड़ा है तो कोर्ट का काम यह है कि प्रोसीजरल फेयरनेस ये होता है कि दोनों को सुनकर कोर्ट कोई फैसला लेता है, और इस मामले में कोर्ट ने सर्वे कमिश्नर को अपॉइंट किया, वो रिपोर्ट नहीं देता है, दूसरी साइड भागती है विदाउट मुस्लिम साइड को नोटिस दिए, और कोर्ट 1 घंटे के अंदर ऑर्डर पास कर देता है कि नमाजियां कम, वो सो कॉल जो फवारा है उसको शिवलिंग उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर दो, पुलिस बिठा दो वहां पर।
But Supreme Court has also
said
that
Supreme Court, the word is Supreme Court in the impugn order. So don't go along with it. They said in the impugn order. वो पढ़िए आप। अब ये उसका बाजा मत बजाइए।
पर सर उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने की बात की गई है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इन द impugn order कहा है। और एक बात याद रखिए, वजू करना जो है मुसलमानों में रिलीजियस ऑब्जर्वेंस में आता है, तो वजू करने की इजाजत है इसमें।
उसको प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, वजू करना चाहिए वहां पे, ये बोल रहे हैं आप।
नहीं, मैं कहां भाई बोल रहा हूं, आप बोल रहे हो। मैं तो कोर्ट का ऑर्डर आप पे बोल रहा हूं। कोर्ट ये बोला कि यू कैन गो एंड विथ ऑल and observe when you can perform all your namaz with the religious observances.
But at the same time,
religious. Please understand, religious observances also include performing wuzu, performing ablution. And the court said in the impugn order, my whole contention was that number one, this whole survey is completely wrong. Appointment of commissioner is completely wrong. It violates 1991 Act and procedural unfairness. How can the other party, without even that survey commissioner giving a report, how can the court even without hearing the Muslim side issue an order? So that is why I am of the opinion that hopefully on 19th, when the Supreme Court will hear this, we hope that the Supreme Court will give a complete stay on this order.
Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi has
and do complete justice.
Sir, a similar petition has been moved in Mathura, sir. There, the petitioner has requested court to stay to seal Shahi Idgah and deploy security there, sir?
Well, you should go back when the Babri Masjid title suit judgment was given. While addressing to you, all of you were there at that point of time. You are witness to what I had said. I had said that that judgment will open doors and similar demands will arise. And now similar demands are arising now.
How you see, sir, similar kind of issue being raised in Karnataka, sir?
They are completely wrong. They are completely wrong, and that is why we hope that on 19th, when this matter will be heard by the Honorable Supreme Court, the Supreme Court will give a complete stay order. I don't know what the Supreme Court would do, but I expect and I hope that the Supreme Court will give a complete stay order and a complete justice will be done, and there will be a full stop to all these issues, because the Supreme Court has said in the Supreme Court judgment of Babri Masjid Ram Mandir title dispute that 1991 Act relates to basic structure of our constitution, and this whole argument which the Sangh Parivar gives, historical wrong. Supreme Court, they should read that paragraph 83.
सर, जो हिंदुओं की आस्था है वहाँ पे नंदी भी मिला है और बोल रहे हैं कि वो शिवलिंग है, उसको मानने के लिए तैयार क्यों नहीं है सर?
कौन लाने को तैयार नहीं है?
आप मानने के लिए क्यों तैयार नहीं है?
कोर्ट को जाके बोलो ना। आप एक बार सुनिए कि आप लोग ये क्यों नहीं दिखाते आपके मीडिया पे? जिस दिन देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी काशी की वो जो मंदिर को बड़ा खूबसूरत बनाया उन्होंने, उस दिन एक नंदी को वहां पर दफनाने की कोशिश की गई थी।
ये कैसा, आपके पास क्या प्रूफ है सर?
अरे आपको दिखाएं क्या, हम बताएं आपको?
वो जो नंदी अभी जो वहां पे है,
मैं उसकी एक नंदी को वहां पर दफनाने की कोशिश की गई। अरे रिपोर्टेड है। आप ऐसा है ना, आप लोग मीडिया में आप लोग भक्त बने हुए हैं, आप लोग दिखाते नहीं है सर।
आपको ही दिखता सच हमको?
हाँ, हमको
तो
हमको दोनों आंख से देखते हैं, हम एक आंख से नहीं देखते ना।
Sir, All India Muslim Personal Law Board, we have learned that it has called an emergency meeting. You are a member of Personal Law Board. What we can expect from this meeting, sir?
No, I cannot tell you what will come out of the meeting, but definitely the Personal Law Board should have called this meeting much earlier.